Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. In this video, I would like to explain how to insert the text animations in PowerPoint presentations. So PowerPoint text animations we are going to discuss in this video. So how to do that, we'll see step by step each animations. So before that, see few animated slides. So like this or like this or this wave, this zoom. So all these animations, how we can do that, we'll see. So the rotated one. So all these animations, text animations, we are going to see in this video. So do watch the video till the end. Let me take a slide. So I am going to show how to do the basic text animations. So let me write any text here, like PowerPoint presentation on text animations. So I have written a random text here. So how to do that, we'll see. So here bullet is on, so I'm offing that. So these are in not proper aligned manner. So how to do that also I am going to show. So here align text is there in format. So home, insert, design, all these are there, right? So in format, align text, align to top or middle or bottom. So that you can select. So here I want middle. So particular word also you can align. So we'll see this. So select this and go to animations. So select animations. So in this you have different options. So select any one of the animation. So entrance, emphasis, exit. So let me take this split and on like bounce. So randomly I am selecting bold reveal. So how it will look when we do the presentation, we'll see the preview here. So see PowerPoint presentation on text animation. So I am going to change the animation here. So bounce, fly in. So these are the different options. Wave. So I'll preview that how it looks. So PowerPoint presentation on text animation. So as I have written completely, it is taking as complete one only, like PowerPoint presentation on text animation. So we'll do the next one and let me show. So civil engineering. AEE competitive exams. So do watch the video till the end, because I am going to explain the more animations till the end of this video. So basic I am showing now. So select it, select the animation, select this, select the animation, and preview. It will look like this. So a spin. And we'll see the another one. I'll show how to do this. So I'm inserting one of the shapes here. So I'm taking this shape. So how to insert this means go to insert and shapes, then select the required shape. So I have drawn a block. So if you want to change the color of that, you can change by using this. So let me take one of the color. And then going for next one, insert. And I am selecting one more. So here I am writing civil engineering. So if you want to change the font size, you can select and move directly here, and you can change the font size and required font style. So or else you can go to home and then you can select here also. So let me change the color of font also. So I am taking black, and here let me write AEE exam. So I want to change the font color here. So select that, and randomly you can change the color here. And bold, or else you can change here also, like 2020. So I want this to be rotated this way, this side. So for that, what you need to go to format, and here you can see rotate option. So click on that. So if you rotate right 90 degrees, it will move, it will rotate this side. So you can rotate by using this option. So I am clicking on rotate right 90 degrees. And I want to add the animations to this text. So go to animation. So fly in, split, wheel. So randomly I am selecting. So you can take the blank slide and you can do that. So I want to show the preview how it looks. So see here, like this. I'm going to change the another animation. Float in. So you can select any of the animations which you like or which suits your text. So underline, so I am going to show the preview how it looks. See, if you don't want, if you have did the animation and you think that the second you want to do the animation for this AEE exam, not to 2020, so in that situations how you need to do. So in that situations, so you can select this and none. So select this and none. So you want AEE exam to animate second after civil engineering, so then go for animation and then select this. After that select this. So now see the preview, civil engineering AEE 2020. So like this you can do the animations to the text. So we'll see the another style, how to do animation for complete text also, the different styles of text also. So as directly I have entered it, copied the previous layout format only. Yeah, so I am selecting again this shapes and I'm changing the color here. So I'm writing my own channel name, so Civil Ka Adda 1M. So if you want to reduce this, you can reduce, and if you want to increase the font size, go to home, Times New Roman, I want 28, so I can increase this size now. And if you want to change this text style also, you can change. So go to format, so see here word art styles, so you can find the word art styles here. So click on this more, so you can find the different word art. So select the style which you like. So all these are the different options here. So I am selecting this, so this. So like this also you can do the different word art styles. And I'll show the animations, more animations now. So go to animations. So here you can see, other than this exit, emphasis and entrance options, you can see the motion path also. So if you want to do in a particular motion pathway in particular way, then you can select this. So see here, example, I am taking line. So here effect options are there. So how that line should be, whether it should move in the horizontal way or vertical way, for from left to right, right to left, like that. So click on effect options. So down or right, you can see the changes here, up, left. So like that you can see the different options, so that it will move in this particular way. So let me show that. See here, it will move like this. And I am going to show the another way. If I select arc, see this arc point also you can select. So let me show the preview. In an arc way it will move. So turns, see the preview in this way. Or shapes, in a circular path, see here. and you can go for different options also. You can customize the path. Text or object moves along a specified path. So say this. So like that, if you want different animations, you can go for this animation option. So you can change the text also. See, I have, yeah, in this slide I have taken the PowerPoint and text animation. I have did with that only. Yes. So format, if you want to enter anything, you can enter by using this option, format, and then selecting this. And I'll show how to do this one, like how we can make a text to be reflected to some extent. So like that I will show now. So I am taking a normal blank. You can do on this also, but let me take blank. So I am inserting and to this, so let me write some text, civil engineering. So if you want to change the font. See, if I show any specific word or any specific slide, or like if I want to show only like this, or if I want to show only like this, then you will be knowing only how to do that particular content. So I don't want you to learn only the particular content. I want you to learn the overall thing, how you can do, so that you can do in your own different styles, in your required style, or else how you want to show your text. So that ideas you can put it if you know how to do. If I only show the particular thing, then you will not have the idea of doing the other one. So let me explore, let me show you how we can do, so that you can do in your own way. So civil engineering, I want to change the text. So right click. So here you can see the format shape. So here you can select this one, effects. So right click, format shape. So in that you can see these three options here. So fill and line, this is effect, and size and properties. So let me go for effects. So here you can see the option glow. So see here, so it is glowing outside in yellow color. If you want to change the color also, you can change the color. So randomly let me write a normal text here. So you can make the required text to glow. So I'll show one more color here. See here, you can select the different colors like this. And you want your text to, let me show that. So go to format shape, so click effects. So if you want your text to reflect, see here, so you can select the different options. You have different options here. So reflection, see here. So like that you can make the text to reflect also, and you can change that transparency also. So as it is 0, it is showing much. So if I change it 6 to see the transparent, it is more clear. So if I change to 10, it is more thick, it is the text is more, you can reflection is more. So if you want to reduce it, you can increase it, the value, see here slightly, so you can see the reflection slightly. So like that you can even give the reflection to your text. So like this you can change the reflection, or you can give the glow, or you can have different transitions, different animations to your text. So all these are the basic text animations. So if you want any other information, you can even comment down in the comment section, so that I'll come up with that videos also. So thank you for watching the video till the end. Video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.